If you've noticed that Google Drive on your Android phone isn't working properly, it might be time to update the app. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a simple update process so you can enjoy the latest features and improvements. Whether it's new functionality or improved stability, regular updates are key to optimizing your use of Google Drive. Follow my steps and learn how to do it quickly and easily. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open your GooglePlayStore app. Once you're on the GooglePlayStore home screen, tap the Search option. After that, tap the search field, then type Google Drive, and proceed with the search. When the search results load, you will see the Google Drive app. Tap it to open the app's page. If an update is available, you will see the Update button, as shown on my screen. Tap it to start the update process. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update, it may take a few moments for the app to update. It is recommended to wait until the process finishes so that the app is updated to the latest version. Once the update is complete, the Open button will appear on the screen. Tap it to directly open the latest version of the Google Drive app and try out the new features that are now available. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.